Hey, I'm Becky and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is on increasing conversion rate using price anchoring. Price anchoring is a behavioral phenomenon where people set a value or willingness to pay for a product given the first price that they're exposed to. You can use price anchoring in pretty much any situation where you're disclosing a price. So for e-commerce, you're going to want to list your most expensive item first, followed by your mid-range item or items, and then your lowest priced item or items. That way, people anchor to the highest priced item, and then everything else that follows looks like a good value. You can also use this if you have a ton of items on your product's listing page by setting the default sort to list highest to lowest price. People won't actually shop this way, but it exposes them to your highest price first. Restaurants do this a lot when they list a really expensive dish that pretty much no one orders, but it anchors everyone so that the mid-range prices look a lot more reasonable. You can also use price anchoring for SaaS or service-based products. You can do this by providing tiered options. You'll want to select 3 tiers. The first one is the highest priced one. Next, you'll show the mid-range option, which is what most people are going to gravitate to, and then you show the lowest priced option. You can also do this if you don't have tiers and you don't have multiple products. You can do that by showing your competitors' pricing. You want to make sure that yours is either the best price, or at the very least, there are some that are higher than yours and you can prove your value over the lower priced options. You can also do this if you have no competitors, no tiers, and you don't have multiple products. You can do that by creating an original or suggested price. This is the MSRP concept. So you show the original or the MSRP price, and then you show the price that you want your visitor to pay. Also, you can do this as kind of the sales that are forever ongoing. You see this a lot. Actually, Steve Jobs used this when he released the iPad by saying that people had been telling him he should price it at $9.99 before he revealed the actual price of $4.99, which then made the $4.99 look like a great deal, even though the $9.99 wasn't even an actual price. So this is how you can use price anchoring to increase conversion rate on your site. So, if you like this video and you'd like to receive more tips like that, click below to subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon.